ladies and gentlemen, the human blockhead. Oh! Ah! I'm just kidding, I'm totally fine. That's right. Are you filming and looking away? I like that.
Oh my God.
The nail is now hammered right in the center of my face. It's taken years to be able to do this and not be hurt or bleed. Actually, the nail is now so close to the brain, only a real blockhead would want this hammered all the way in. Yes, luckily, I'm a real blockhead. So, if you guys do want to see the nail go all the way in, say yeah! Whoa, whoa, all right, you bloodthirsty fiends. Let's take it all the way. Here we go. Yeah, look like you can still see it. Look. The nail is now hammered all the way in the face. I'm going to be honest. This is not comfortable at all. Now comes the hard part though, removing the nail. What I have to do is dislodge it from the skull, slowly, carefully pull it out of the face. Once I do, discount VIP passes for everyone now. If I drop dead, they're in this pocket right here. You're in charge. You gotta hand them out to everybody. Like I said, I will be handing these out in the lobby, so follow me inside, get yourself a discount pass. Thank you guys for stopping by to watch the show. Let's get this nail out of here. Yeah, ooh, got it. Yeah. Want a close-up? Yeah, zoom in on that. Yeah! Incoming! Ladies and gentlemen, Albert Cadabra, the human blockhead! Thank you guys for watching the show. Come on inside. Get yourself to this.